Welcome to my review of Emailable. If you're tired of dealing with undeliverable emails or worrying about spam traps and bounces, Emailable might be the solution you need. This powerful tool helps you clean your email lists by identifying invalid, disposable, and risky email addresses, ultimately improving the performance of your email campaigns. One of the biggest advantages of Emailable is its ease of use. You simply upload your list, and it quickly scans and validates every email address. Emailable checks for a wide range of issues, including invalid domains, temporary email addresses, and even role-based email addresses. Plus, the service integrates smoothly with email platforms like MailChimp and HubSpot, making it simple to incorporate into your existing workflow. Another feature I found useful is the real-time email validation. This feature allows you to verify emails as they're being collected, ensuring that your contact list is always up to date. The results are delivered in an easy-to-read report that lets you know which addresses are safe to send to and which ones should be removed. While Emailable offers a lot of benefits, it's important to note some limitations. The service can be expensive for smaller businesses or those with small lists to clean. While pricing is flexible, depending on the size of your email list, it may not be the most cost-effective option for everyone. That said, for large companies or those with a significant number of contacts to verify, it could be well worth the investment. Emailable services come with a variety of pricing plans. The more emails you need to verify, the more expensive the plan, but it provides significant value by improving deliverability rates and helping your business maintain a good sender reputation. Emailable is truly an essential tool for anyone looking to clean up their email lists and avoid bounce rates that can hurt email marketing campaigns. Now, before I continue, I'd like to mention Clean Email, another excellent tool for email management. Clean Email offers a simple and effective way to clean your inbox and organize your email accounts. It's the best email manager for those who want to take control of their inboxes. You can find more details by following the link provided in the description below. When it comes to email list verification, Emailable is a great choice. But if you're also looking for a tool that helps you manage your inbox and declutter your email account, Clean Email is a great complementary tool to consider. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.